guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to start our knife series. I am by no means a knife expert. I am what you would call a knife enthusiast. I love knives, and a lot of knives I do use, some of them I don't. Some of them I get because I like the looks. So the first knife is one of my favorite knives. I do not use this knife because I'll show you why. And it's a civivi Elementum. This is a gorgeous knife. If you look at the handle, it's just sexy. Look at the blade. It's a Damascus style blade. It is sharp too. And so I will give you some specs on this knife. It has a Damascus blade, hollow ground, has a little lanyard hole right here. The linear lock. You have to snap it though, it doesn't flip like a regular flipper. It does have a deep pocket carry. It's got the ceramic ball bearings here. Of course, the civivi logo right there. So here's the specs on it. It is 6.99 inches long. The blade tip is 2.96. It's 4.03 for the handle, and the blade thickness is 0.12, and the handle thickness is 0.50. This is a carbon fiber and copper shred, and it's a clear resin handle on there. It is a deep carry pocket clip on it. So is a drop point blade. Well, the blade material is alloy steel. It only weighs 2.74 ounces, so it's a fairly light, very small blade, but I think that handle is just gorgeous. And the blade is also gorgeous. So that is the civivi Elementum. I have several other civivis. This, however, is my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. It is, however, a very good knife, and if you want something that looks good and you are a knife collector, I definitely would suggest this to you. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and I'll see you guys on my next video.